Okay. Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Bhai. As we have seen in long answer, last time question number 1 we have seen. Now question number 2. Nature has the power to fill our mood even when we are highly despondent. Comment on the basis of your understanding of the poem Dust of Snow. Again, nature has the power to lift our mood even when we are highly despondent, means unhappy. Nature has that power to make us happy from unhappy. We have to comment, we have to discuss on the basis of our understanding of the poem Dust of Snow. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a poem which enlightens us how small things of nature can refresh us and cheer us for the rest of the day. The main theme of the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a poem which enlightens us how small things of nature can refresh us and cheer us for the rest of the day. Nature, as we have seen, has that power to make us happy. And rest of the day we feel that type of enthusiasm, that type of energy, that type of positive idea, positive thinking we keep. That type of power nature has. Further, though Frost has beautifully depicted shown a crow and a hemlock tree, both of these are associated with bad women and fear. If you take the example of both of them, crow is the sign of bad omen, and hemlock tree, as you know, considered to be the tree of death, fear. Yet, instead of taking it negatively, poet Robert Frost took both of them positively. That after falling particles of snow on him, his idea, his thinking changed. He was sad, but he was happy later on. He changes his idea from negative to positive after this incident. That shows that any things you see created by nature, we consider them bad, actually not. What the poet want to say through this particular poem. Frost to uplift his mood and make him feel positive. Frost's writing skill as a poet lies in the fact that he is able to effectively convey to us how such a thing as the falling of snow flakes from the top of tree can have a refreshing effect on the mind of man. So every aspect of nature, be it a crow or hemlock tree, can be source of positivity and can be helpful in lifting a depressed mind, able to change mind. If you take the example of crow, if you take the example of tree, yet helpful in lifting a depressed mind. That shows poet took it positively and wanted to convey that we have made this particular divisions, we think negatively that crow as well as the hemlock tree are the sign of bad omen, but not according to poet. Small incident, this thing also make us happy if we think positively then. Next paragraph. In other words, everything in the world is beautiful. Everything in the world is beautiful. Nature and its creation have the power to uplift mood even when we are in depressed state of mind. Then also it has power to make our mood correct, proper. And that is why it is believing or it is said like this that we must think about it, about them. A small incident of snow falling, that too by the action of a crow, who is considered bad woman, takes away the pall of sadness from the poet's mind. These incidents, as you know, small incidents of snow falling, that too by the action of a crow, who is considered to be the bad omen, takes away the pall of sadness from the poet's mind. Pall of sadness from the poet's mind and refreshes him for the rest of the day and make him happy for the rest of the day. What the poet want to say through this particular poem, that particular thing which we consider to be the bad omen as hemlock tree and crow, but poet took it positively because what nature has given, we should not think about them negative or bad omen. That is why small incidents also make you happy. Small incident also takes your worry, tension, sadness and make you happy. That is why he firmly believed that don't think that God creation is not good or considered to be the bad omen. Poet Robert Frost did not believing in this type of idea. So he conveyed this. Question number 3. Small things in life make significant changes in our life. Elaborate with reference to the poem Dust of Snow. What says? Small things in life make significant changes, important changes that we have to do considering this particular small things in life make significant, important changes in our life, and that is why we can say that it is very important for us. The poem Dust of Snow reiterates that the little things in life can make huge change in our future. The poet Dust of Snow reiterates that the little things, small things can make huge changes, big changes, large changes in future. It also shows that if we can take the hard times of life in stride, eventually sometime will happen to change our situation into happier time. What further says, it also shows that if we can take the hard times of life in stride, believing like this hard, unable to improve, unable to face it, but eventually something will happen to change our situation into happier times. What we think that unhappy, but like this situation taken place, so that it make us happier than we realize. That is why telling that take it positively, not negatively. You have to think it positively, not negatively. Then it is possible. Otherwise, it is difficult. That is why poet firmly believed what happens, it happens good for us, and we must think properly about it. The simple thing, next paragraph, the simple thing that we do for others can make all the difference. Simple thing that we do for others make the difference. Just think about those random acts of kindness. If you do good work, kind work, act of kindness we do, and how much they brighten a person's day. How they brighten a person's day and sometimes change their future. As we know, it shows random act of kindness we do and how much they brighten a person's day and sometimes change their future. It happened like this. Good act always give us happiness, always make us happy, and in this way, particular, sometime it changes future also. It shows very important matter concerned with this. Noticing and appreciating all the small things in life will make our life happier. See, noticing and appreciating, we have to take care. And appreciating, we have to appreciate all the small things in life. We have to observe, notice, we have to appreciate small thing in life, make our life happy. Big things only seeing or just appreciating or observing, noticing is not good. Small also make our life sublime, make our bright future, and make our life happier. It will also cause us to have a spirit that is willing to change and therefore succeed. It will also cause us to have a spirit that is willing to change and therefore succeed. We need that if we take it positively and keeping the spirit is willing to change and therefore succeed. If we think it positively, observe it positively, then we will succeed. According to the poet, small thing in life make our life happier. We will be happy, we will succeed if we pay attention, notice and appreciating small things. Then if we neglect not paying attention, then it is difficult to succeed. But if we take it positively, then it is very easy for us to act, to learn in a proper way in this particular real world. The what we have to learn from this particular point. Now, self-assessment. Extract based question. We have to see this. Read the following extract carefully and answer the question that follows. You have to write the answer based on it. See, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from the hemlock tree, the same particular stanza coming in this self-assessment means you have to do the assessment yourself. You have to write question, answer yourself. See, where and how do you find the poet in the beginning of the poem? Where and how did you find the poet in the beginning of the poem? First question. The poet was, as you know, we find the poet under the hemlock tree in the beginning of the poem. Second, where is the crow at that time and what does it do the tree? Where is the crow at that time? The crow was, as you know, on the hemlock tree and it fall on poet. Give a synonym of way. Way means rock. Rod. Plus, what is hemlock tree? Hemlock tree is, as you know, the particular tree which is considered to be the poisonous tree, and by drinking the liquid of that tree person can die. So it represents fear and death. Fear and death it represent. Short answer type question. Did the snow change the speaker's mood for better or for worse? Support your answer with example from the poem. Did the snow change the speaker's mood for better? Yes, we have seen. The snow changed the speaker's mood for better. We have seen. Or worse not, better. Because after getting this snow, the poet was happy and he started thinking positively. His mood changed. First, as we have seen, he was in sorrowful mood, but after these incidents and falling snow on him, his idea, his thinking changed. He became happy and we can say that mood was better. That is why we can say, and poet thought that small thing also make us happy that we should accept. Number 2, what happened to the rest of the day of the poet? The rest of the day, poet enjoyed, passed time in happy way because his sadness over. He thought properly. His idea that was good, proper, and he thought, he took it sincerely, and he thought everything God has created that has higher importance. Long answer, values based on question. See, long answer. Do you think that judging other people with a prejudice I make us impervious to any goodness in them? Discuss in context of crow and hemlock tree in this point. Do you think judging other people with a prejudice I makes us impervious to any goodness in them? We can see good things when other people's prejudice, keeping difference. Can we see in this way, proper way or improper way? We find from him virtues or vices. Good person always do the good. Judge, how to judge the people, it is also one type of art. And if we judge properly, we can say that small thing also make us happy, good, and we realized that not any small thing can be neglected. All, each and everything, small or big, has its own importance. We should not neglect them. We should not criticize them. and we should take it positively instead of taking it negatively. Then our life become happy. Here, end of this poem, you will have to write this question answer one time in your book and have to read 2 times. Clear? Next poem number 2 we will see in next week, next period. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.